how to show or hide the language switch key in Gboard on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, scroll down and tap on general management. After that, tap on Gboard settings. Then tap on preferences, and from here tap on language switch key. Tap on the toggle button to hide or show the key on the keyboard. Here if I switch it off, then it will be removed from the keyboard. If I turn on the toggle button, it will show in the keyboard and I can tap on it to quickly switch between the different language keyboard. I can touch and hold. This will bring up the dialog and then I can change the keyboard like so. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.